Hi everyone! In this tutorial I explain how to simply extract specific information out of a date with formulas in Excel. So here I have a simple table with specific dates, for example the 15th December 2020, and now when we only want to extract the year out of this date, we can use the formula year of the date here. The same we can just do with the month, so we only want to get the month, so we type equal month in brackets the date, and the same also for the simple day. Now when we want to get the name of the month, for example here 12, which would be month of December, we can use the text formula. So we want it in text, so the value is the date, and we want to get the three first digits of the month, so we just type in 3M. So here we get the abbreviation of December, and if we want to get the whole month, we just type 4M in here in the formula, and then we get the full name of the month, for example January. Okay, and now if we want to get the calendar week of that specific date, we can just type in the formula week num and take the specific date, and as you can see here, that date was calendar week 51. And at the same time as with the month, we can do the weekday. So here we want the date in the text format, and we only want the three first digits. We type here 3 small d's just for day. And if we want to get the full name of the day, we just type here 4d within the formula. So these are just basic commands to get some information out of a specific date. If you liked the video, please subscribe for more content. See you next time.